Come to an incredible journey through our universe. The universe is a vast expanse, home to billions of galaxies, each containing countless stars and planets. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one among these many wonders. Within the Milky Way lies our solar system, a fascinating collection of planets, moons, and other celestial bodies. Today we'll explore how the universe began, how our solar system formed, and the unique features of each planet. Let's start by under. Home galaxy, the Milky Way, is a spiral galaxy filled with stars, planets, and cosmic dust. It's just one of billions of galaxies in the universe. The nearest galaxy to us is the Andromeda Galaxy, which is millions of light years away. Scientists study the universe through cosmology, seeking to understand its origin and structure. The Milky Way is where our solar system resides, making it the backdrop for all the planetary adventures we'll discuss next. Origin of the universe is explained by the Big Bang Theory. According to this theory, the universe began with a massive explosion about 8 billion years ago. This event set everything in motion, causing galaxies to move apart and the universe to expand. The theory was first proposed by George Lemaitre in 1931, and Edwin Hubble later provided evidence by observing the increasing distance between celestial bodies. This accelerated expansion. Solar system formed from a giant cloud of dust and gas known as a nebula. This idea is called the nebula theory, first proposed by Immanuel Kant in 1755 and later refined by Laplace. Over time, gravity pulled the dust and gas together, leading to nuclear fusion and the birth of the sun. The remaining material formed planets, moons, and other celestial bodies. This process set the stage for the diverse and dynamic solar system we observe today. Celestial bodies in our solar system are divided into two main types, luminous and non-luminous. Luminous bodies like stars produce their own light. The sun is our closest and most important star. Non-luminous bodies such as the moon, asteroids, and comets do not emit their own light but can reflect light from other sources. These bodies add diversity to our solar system and play important roles in its structure and evolution. Constellations are groups of stars that form recognizable patterns in the night sky. Some of the most famous include Hydra, the largest constellation, Orion, known for its hourglass shape, and the bright star Rigel, and Ursa Major, also called the Great Bear or Big Dipper. These constellations have guided explorers and inspired stories for centuries, helping us navigate and understand the cosmos. Distances in space are so vast that special units are used. A light year is the distance light travels in 1 year, about 9 trillion kilometers. Another unit, the parsec, equals 10 light year. The closest star to Earth after the Sun is Proxima Centauri. These measurements help astronomers map the universe and understand the scale of our cosmic neighbor. Sun is the heart of our solar system, providing light and energy to all planets. It's a luminous body made mostly of hydrogen and helium, accounting for 99% of the solar system's mass. The Sun's surface temperature is about 5800 Kelvin, while its core reaches a scorching 7 million Kelvin. Light from the Sun takes about 8 minutes and 30 seconds to reach Earth. Its outer layer, called the corona, is visible during solar eclipses. India has made remarkable strides in space exploration. The Aditya L8 mission, launched by ISRO, is India's first solar mission. It aims to study the Sun from the Lagrange point A, providing valuable insight into solar activity and its effects on Earth. This mission showcases India's growing expertise in space science and its commitment to exploring the mysteries of our solar system. Moon is Earth's only natural satellite. It's a non-luminous body, reflecting sunlight to brighten our night sky. The Moon is about 384,000 kilometers from Earth, and its gravity is just 1/6 of Earth. It takes a 10 days to complete one rotation and revolution, which is why we always see the same side. India's Chandrayaan-3 mission recently explored the Moon, marking another milestone in lunar research. Planets in our solar system are classified as terrestrial or Jovian. Terrestrial planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are rocky with solid surfaces and few moons. Jovian planets, including Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are gas or ice giants with many moons and rings. This classification helps us understand the differences in their composition, appearance, and behavior. Four inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are known as terrestrial planets. Mercury is the closest to the Sun and the smallest, with no moons. Venus, Earth's twin, is the hottest and brightest, with a thick atmosphere. Earth is unique for supporting life and having abundant water. Mars, the red planet, is famous for its iron-rich soil and 2 small moons. Each has its own story and special feature. Outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are much larger and mostly made of gas or ice. Jupiter is the largest, with 95 moons and a powerful magnetic field. Saturn is famous for its bright rings and has the most moons. Uranus, the green planet, is tilted on its side and extremely cold. Neptune, the farthest, is known for its strong winds and deep blue color. These giants dominate the outer solar system. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, home to dwarf planets like Pluto, Eris, Haumea, Makemake, and Ceres. Dwarf planets orbit the Sun and are nearly spherical but haven't cleared their orbits of debris. Pluto, once considered the 9th planet, was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. The Kuiper Belt is a region filled with icy bodies, asteroids, and comets, offering clues about the early solar system. Universe is filled with fascinating phenomena. Supernovas are massive explosions marking the end of a star's life. Pulsars are rapidly spinning neutron stars emitting beams of radiation. Black holes are regions with immense gravity, so strong that not even light can escape. These cosmic events shape galaxies and help us understand the life cycle of stars and the evolution of the universe.